Hi guys, in previous lecture we have discussed on a router by using non-XML and XML condition. Today we are going to discuss this splitter function. In every interview, interviewer asks about what is general splitter and iterating splitter. So today we can see what is the behavior or difference between iterative splitter and general splitter. So this is our yesterday's iFlow, which we have built when we discussed that router. So take splitter here. There are so many types of the splitter: EDI splitter, IROC splitter, tar splitter, zip splitter. But today we are going main we are going to focus mainly on this general splitter and iterating splitter. So this is our sample payload: employee, employees, employee, and this employee. So here in the general splitter, we have to give X path. So how we can give that? See here, the path is employee under employees. So employees under employee. Here there are two types in the general splitter. One is line break and another one is X path. When we are dealing with text or any CSV, we can use line break. Currently, we are dealing with the XPath, so we can use this. Currently we are dealing with the XML, so we can choose here XPath. So we have provided XPath also. What is grouping? Suppose we are receiving a payload which contains the 10 employees data, then it will process that in group of two employee, means first two in one group, other two are in another group. Yeah, like that. What is streaming? It is used for performance purpose. It does not store the message in the memory while processing it. And what is parallel processing? It enables the concurrent processing. And what is stop on exception? Suppose we are receiving 10 employees data. If error occurred at fourth employee, if this option is checked, then iFlow got stop, iFlow, iFlow got failed at that point. But when we unchecked this after fourth employee's failure, fifth employees up to 10 employees will process. So if any one split message fail at any point during the iFlow processing, then all the remaining messages will be stopped. And if we disable this option, then it will skip that failed message and will process remaining message. So let's deploy it and check the behavior of the general split. For checking behavior of these palette functions, means general splitter, check payload after the main step, means the general splitter. If you want to check the behavior of a general splitter, you need to check this payload, set properties payload. See the body. Let's copy it and keep here. After that, same, use the iterating splitter. In iterating splitter, there are three options: token, XPath, and line break. See this token specifically available for iterating splitter to split based on an XML tag names and when we use XPath used when dealing with the XML payload, and when we use line break used for plain text or CSV data where each line represent a record. So use XPath here because we are dealing with the XML payload. So use same path, employee. Let's deploy it and see the behavior of the iterating splitter. To check the behavior of the iterating splitter, we need to check payload of this set property, means after the iterating splitter. Check the body, copy it. Yeah, you can beautify also. I think you checked wrong payload. Give me a minute. Yes, it's correct one. Copy this and paste here. Let's make as XML. See here. Carefully observe this payload when we use general splitter. And this one is when we use iterating splitter. Carefully observe these two payloads and see here. This root node is not present in the iterating splitter. This root node we can call as preserve, encapsulating element. So what is the difference between general splitter and iterating splitter? General splitter preserve the encapsulating element with each split message, and iterating splitter does not preserve the encapsulating element. So today we discussed on what is the difference between general splitter and iterating splitter, and what is the splitter. So in other lecture means next lecture we can discuss on these options available in the splitter. What is grouping, what is streaming, parallel processing, and stop on exception. Yeah, that's it for this lecture. Thank you.